Hello, my name is Cody Jensen, and today I will be presenting on a recent article published by Strategic Finance Magazine entitled ABC and Value Stream Costing in Tandem. The article presents a case that it may be wise for some companies to adopt multiple accounting systems, namely ABC and Value Stream, to better keep track of company cost finances. Now, before we get into the article, we need to understand what ABC costing is. ABC is short for activity-based costing, and we learned from Gerald Zimmerman in Accounting for Decision Making that accounting-based costing is a process of identifying activities that cause indirect costs and choosing cost drivers to apply those indirect costs to different products and services. Typically, the ABC method provides a more in-depth and accurate measure of costs, but is more complicated and time-consuming. Stream value costing is a type of lean accounting system, and Gerald Zimmerman defined a lean accounting system as primarily a lean accounting system primarily seeks to support lean production and thereby provide information to managers that improves all various processes in the firm. Lean accounting systems are simple and straightforward and provide data to better understand customer values, waste, and current processes. Such systems often shun traditional accounting methods such as variance reporting, standard costs, and ABC as too complicated and wasteful. Again, these methods are more simple, but I want to note that by Zimmerman's definition, that lean accounting system typically shuns an accounting system like ABC, which makes the topic of the article quite interesting. Now, the article starts out by discussing recent studies that have found more companies are using multiple costing accounting systems. About 1 in 6 of the companies surveyed are using multiple accounting systems such as the ABC and the VSC system. And so a gentleman by the name of Gary Koskin proposed a dual accounting system by suggesting that managers could use lean accounting to focus on operational improvement, while ABC could be used strategically to better understand the drivers of company profitability. The approach is to take the strengths of ABC and VSC systems and kind of use them together, again, to help the managers make better decisions and the company overall to make better decisions. So the ABC system that is integrated uses cost drivers to assign all resources to appropriate cost objects, such as suppliers, product orders, customers, sustaining activities, etc. Whereas the VCS or VSC system, costing system typically has dedicated resource, products organized into groups that follow approximately the same production flow. And in a company organized by value streams instead of functional departments, production cells would replace departments, or the cost would be assigned directly from the work activities to the value streams. Essentially, he proposes a complex ABC system with flexible reporting. A real-world example of this can be that the article presents, where this is being used effectively, is a company called Linux. Now, Linux is a multinational, multi-million-dollar company that makes electronic actuators that are used across many applications. Currently, Linux has production facilities in Denmark, Slovakia, the United States, China, and Thailand, and sales and marketing subsidiaries in 31 countries. On the screen, you will see a simplified version of their monthly income statement. You will note direct material and direct labor costs are initially recorded at standard in the company records, but they're adjusted to actual period costs in the company's internal monthly income statements. Linux approach simplifies the accounting system, eliminating the need to track labor with multiple job or activity codes. This is how the company uses the value stream method in their dual method approach. But in order to incorporate the ABC in 2006, Linux hired a consultant to help develop an ABC system to see how marketing and distribution costs varied across the customer base. This consultant stressed that this wasn't just an accounting department project. It required the engagement and support of the entire top management team. Together, they identified between 80 and 100 cost drivers, mostly transactional. that were primary drivers of the company's marketing and distribution costs. So each year, the middle managers of Linux conduct a study to update the model. Cost driver rates are determined using current costs and the full capacity for each cost driver available with resources in place. This annual study takes no more than 1 day. Model rates are then used throughout the year to apply costs to cost objects based on the actual use of the cost drivers. So the result of this dual system is that Linux found that by creating an ABC model for customer-related costs, Linux solved an information problem that may be common to many manufacturing companies. Marketing and distribution costs are shared costs for Linux production and value streams, and as customers use those resources with varying levels of intensity. By using ABC in tandem with VSC, Linux system is able to efficiently provide reasonable, accurate product and customer-related cost information.